Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Logstash pipeline for indexing in Elasticsearch. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate a Logstash pipeline for indexing in Elasticsearch, start by ensuring you have Logstash installed on your system. Next, locate the configuration file for your Logstash pipeline. Typically, this file can be found in the config directory within your Logstash installation. Open the configuration file using your preferred text editor. In this file, define your input section to specify the source of your data. Common input sources include file, beats, or Kafka. Next, add a filter section to process the data as needed. This step allows you to transform your data before it is sent to Elasticsearch. Ensure you also define an output section in your configuration file. In the output section, specify Elasticsearch as your output destination. Include the necessary details, such as the Elasticsearch host and port number. You can also define the index name where the data will be stored in Elasticsearch. After completing the configuration file, save your changes. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the Logstash installation directory. Run the Logstash command with the configuration file as an argument. This command typically follows the structure bin/logstash fpath/to/config/file. Monitor the output in the terminal for any errors or messages indicating success. If there are no errors, your Logstash pipeline is now running and indexing data into Elasticsearch. To verify that the data is indeed being indexed, open your Elasticsearch instance. Use tools like Kibana or any HTTP client to query the index you specified earlier. Check for the presence of documents to ensure data is flowing correctly. If everything is in order, your Logstash pipeline is successfully activated for indexing in Elasticsearch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.